Board support and governance advisory. Then number 3, we have link between stakeholders. The corporate secretary is a link between stakeholders like the board of directors, the link between the shareholders, and so on. The secretary acts as a vital communication bridge between various internal and external parties. For example, the board and management. You have the board and management. Board is a link between board and management. Is a link between these two. These are two stakeholders. Board of directors and the management. It ensures that the board decisions are clearly communicated to management for implementation. Then there is company and shareholders or members. Is the link between the company and the shareholders. He manages, is the one who manages shareholder relations, is the one who organizes the annual general meetings, and also handles the distribution of annual reports and dividends. Then another link is between the company and regulators. Is a link between the company and regulators. He serves as the named representative for the company in all formal correspondence with the Register of Companies and other regulators like the Capital Markets Authority and so on. Is a link between the shareholders. The link between, he comes in between the board and the management. He comes in between the company and the shareholders. He's also a link between the company and the various regulators. So this is the third pillar.